There is growing speculation over potential fuel supply shortages due to the developments in the Middle East. But government has assured the public that there will be sufficient fuel products to meet the country's demand.
With our Ginger storage terminal, which is a 30 million litre capacity terminal, we have other avenues for bringing in this fuel despite the terminal, but also we have private investors who have bigger terminals than the Ginger storage terminal, like Mahati, that are supporting with making sure that we have enough stock in the country.
Global markets are closely watching developments in the Gulf region, which also raises questions about Uganda's dependence on routes linked to the Strait of Hormuz.
So we've not only been relying on the Middle East, and with our partner Vito, who's an international partner, we've been sourcing from different markets around the world. So India, Singapore are those immediate ones, but of course the Americas also provide an option. And whether this will impact on the pricing, that I can't say for certain right now, because it's a global conversation. All of these are, trends within the markets, and if you've been following the market trends, you can see some bit of fluctuation in pricing. So I can't speak certainly for that, but what I know is that the markets are available, or where we can get this product are available to be able to sustain the demand in the country.
Asked whether the current situation would accelerate strategic storage expansion, refinery development, or domestic production timelines, Otoa reiterated government's commitment to strengthen national energy security under existing petroleum supply frameworks.
I think with or without this crisis, we were already accelerating these strategic storage options. Kampala Storage Terminal, which is a 320 million litre capacity terminal, is already underway. We are already doing the early parts of the whole, development of that whole, storage facility. We have the expansion of the Ginger Storage Terminal, adding another 10 million litres. So that already goes to show you that the government or UNOC is very keen on making sure that we have these facilities available for us within the next 3 to 4 years to be able to deal with such shocks.
Uganda consumes an average of 7 million litres of fuel per day, imported by the Uganda National Oil Company on behalf of government alongside other private sector stakeholders. Private sector suppliers have been discouraged from hoarding fuel, with authorities warning that such practices could lead to losses, as the government intends to maintain stable and consistent supply across the country. Wadulo Arnold Mark for UBC.